my beloved Cathnetics, it's me again, Kathy, your Ilocana, Ilongga, Bisaya gal. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I am with Mother Dear. Hello! Ayun, ang aming isa pang visitor, si Marley. And of course, I'm with my Beb, ang ating ultimate driver. Amigas. And we are on our way to one of the public parks here in Las Vegas. Ito yung parang suking park namin because it's a very huge, clean, and fresh yung ambience niya. It's actually closer to where we live, kaya isa din yun sa reason kaya dito kami pumupunta. But I'm gonna show you around what they have there, and let's take an evening hike because it's already 7 o'clock in the evening. And we are gonna try to do something there, but I'm not sure if it's gonna happen, but we'll see. So stay tuned. Sun is up. We are here at Rainbow Family Park. That's what they call this place. And yan sila, balot na balot. As usual, ako na naman yung kinulang ang tela. Lagi yung suot. So, yung sinasabi ko kanina na we were planning to do something, but I'm not sure if it's gonna happen. We were looking at the park rules and found out that we cannot do it. So we were gonna try the drone. However, it says there that you're not allowed to do that here. Any battery operated airplane or something like that, which yun yung category ng ating drone. Kaya hindi natin siya ma-testing dito. But it's okay. We are still gonna walk around and do our evening hike. So let me show you around. So they do have a lot of baseball places here. Yung field na pwedeng paglaruan ng baseball. Ayan. Tsaka meron din doon sa kabilang side, right there. And we like this place because it feels really fresh. Alam mo yung meron kasi mga parks dito na pet friendly nga, but may siya, depende sa location. May mga tao kasi na they don't look after their pets. Pag nagpupupo, hindi nila nililinis. Tapos maraming homeless na tumatambay, doon na sila nagbabanyo. So dumadaan ka, yung mapanghi, mabaho, yung ganon, naamoy mo. So kahit maganda, pero ganon yung ambience niya, parang it's not that good. Kaya yun, hindi namin binabalikan. But dito, talagang malinis. And medyo naman din yung area na to. Social, kumbaga. Magaganda din yung mga kabahayan around this area. So this place is really well kept, well maintained, and talagang very clean. So ayun, ayan yung pinakita ko kanina. We're just walking around it. Tapos, marami silang parking areas around doon and all throughout. Parkingan. Dito banda, I'm not sure what they're doing here, but parang hindi pa siya tapos. Ayan. Hi, babe! So, ano po siya? So, yun. They clean after their pets here, which is very nice. Ayan, meron silang mga, eto, pakita ko. Meron silang mga ganito. So, may bag yan para pag magpupo yung ano, dala mo na alaga, you can use that one to clean up. Ayun. Yan si mother. At maglakad tayo.
Yung family naglalaro sila ng ano, they're having fun. Football dito, soccer sa iba. Oop, galing ng bata. Yeah, yan sila.
It's already 7:23 p.m. and ganito pa ka ano, ganito pa ka sikat ng araw. So pag springtime, summer, yan yung ano, yan yung time dito na longer ang daytime. So alas 8:30, maliwanag pa. Pero pag fall and summer, alas 4 pa lang madilim na. So yun yung ano, which is ayoko nung time na yon kasi malamig na, madali pang dumilim. Alam mo yung tinatamad ka na kasi madilim na, tsaka very scary pag nagda-drive ka tapos rush hour traffic. Ayun, kaya ganitong weather ang ini-enjoy ko, although other people here, especially locals, they hate this kind of weather kasi nga mainit. But this is perfect for me. So baliktad ako. Ito yung gusto ko na weather. Ayan sila, mother at saka si dad ko. Photoshoot sila dun. Ganda yung mga kuha niya eh. Nice. Yan ang ating pinakamalakas na photographer. No. So, dito banda sa likod. Ayan yung feel. Dito banda sa likod may parang tawag dito creek. And dyan may mga bahay-bahay dyan sa likod. Ayan. So, pag umulan, dito papunta yung mga tubig. And then another open space. And so, galing tayo doon. Nag-picture tayo. So this is just a very huge, parang roundabout. Ganun. Ikot ka lang. Pero sa pag-ikot mo na yan, marami ka na makikita. Nakapag-exercise ka at nag-enjoy ka na dito sa lugar na to. So ayun, ayan yung creek, parang basin, wash, tawag dyan. Pag umulan dyan yung tubig pupunta. Tapos, after this part here, we're gonna go back to sa trains naman tayo. Balik tayo dyan. Ayan, may mga parkingan. Tapos, may bridge dyan. So, meron siyang trail, which is doon naman talaga. Yan, yung mga nakasementado. Pero, pumunta kami dito sa may slope para makalakad kami dito sa damuhan. And, around this area, palapit na tayo banda sa front. And, kung saan nakapark yung mga sasakyan na yun yung una na pupuno kaysa dun sa likod. So, dito banda, yan, uphill tayo. This is where the playground is. So you can see a lot of kids. Yan. So, they're playing. Nung pumunta kami dito a couple months ago, they were doing a renovation dito sa area na to. And ngayon, kind of looks like it's done. So, ayan, punta tayo dito. Pababa tayo. So, ayan, may mga naglalaro. The good thing about the parks here, especially yung mga playgrounds, yung ground nila is made of either yung parang styrofoam or yung mga soft, parang wood chip or something. Para, in case na may mahulog na bata, hindi siya painful, hindi may injured yung bata. Malambot yung babagsakan niya. Kaya ganyan yung pagka-design. Tapos, ayan, marami ditong tumatambay. Maraming picnic areas. May mga covered areas and open areas. Dito yung swing. Ayan. And yung may mga seal doon. That's what we call the splash pad. So, pwedeng magtampisaw sa tubig yung mga bata doon. And free. It's for public. And yan, so para ma-refresh naman yung mga chikiting natin, pwede silang pumunta dyan and maglaro sa tubig. Yan. And then this is another area. Yan yung restroom nila. Pagod ako dun Ayan, bed ko. Kasi nagamit na niya yung isa. Kaya patay ng extra. Ayun na. Yung kabuuan ng ating gala. Yan na yung kotse. Uwian na. Gabi na. And guys, so andito na kami sa kotse and we are gonna go home. Time check. 8 o'clock in the evening. So ayun po, ito nagtatapos ang ating munting gala for today. Wow, I'm walking. Ano na ako, hindi pawis but dewy. Charot. Nagmamantika na yung mukha ko sa pawis. So yun guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to follow me on Facebook. My Facebook page is Bisayang Ilocana, together with my Instagram page. It's also Bisayang Ilocana. Again, this has been Kathy, your Ilocana, Ilongga, Bisaya gal, always saying, don't let anyone turn you away from your purpose and always live life for what it's worth. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!
Bye!